South Florida endures a lot of severe weather. Now that it's hurricane season, are you prepared? Broten wants you to be ready, so we're offering you an opportunity to save in preparing for the season. By purchasing a hurricane-approved garage door and entry door at the same time, we're offering a 10% discount to help keep you, your family, and your family home secure. Additionally, you may be able to save money from your insurer. In many cases, this saving is significant.
Broten Garage Door Gate, opening doors for you since 1955.